So ortho effect or steric effect, it is mainly observed in aromatic acids, which is benzoic acid, and other one is aniline. This is the main which is in our syllabus they have. This we are going to observe that one. So benzoic acid is acidic character and aniline is basic character. This is going to be
Yeah, sir.
affected by with respect to some group which is present ortho position. Okay, this group
Okay, sir.
maybe can increase acidic character or decreases, that we will see that one. Same thing for basic character also. Because of this group, if that affected any basic character, then that's we called, okay, steric
Okay,
effect
sir.
or ortho effect. Same thing for acidic also. So I am taking here benzoic acid, COOH. I am taking any group here. Due to the steric hindrance, this H plus going to be releases very fast. So when that H plus releases means that become easily H plus releases means more acidic character.
Yeah, sir.
It is going to be occur more forward direction. So acidic character increases or decreases due to group or due to
Decreases?
no, we are getting more H plus N. So reaction
Oh,
occurs
because of
forward
repulsion.
direction.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Then we are getting more H plus N. More H plus N means more acidic character. So due to ortho effect, acidic nature increases. Acidic nature of aromatic acid. This is okay.
Okay, sir.
Aromatic carboxylic acid. Acid increases. So now I am going to be apply aromatic amine. That group, irrespective of that one, that group may be plus or minus, plus M or plus minus M, or you may can take plus I or minus I. Okay,
Yeah, sir.
but
Only
few,
physically it's causing it.
yeah, if few things is there exception, those we can see later. But basic point is due to ortho position, steric hindrance increases, then acidic character increases. That is the basic point. Now we can see one more example with respect to amines. So amines means your lone pair donating character. Got it? Due to this
Yeah.
group, outside H plus, which is are going to be coming here, that is not allowed by this group. Okay, due to steric hindrance, they are not allowing easily. So they are not approaching
Mm.
easily means they can't donate easily H plus ion. They are not able to donate easily here.
Yeah.
So this is not able to donate because here steric hindrance is this group due to steric hindrance, H plus not able to approach this lone pair of electrons. Therefore, basic character decreases. You can write simple thing. Due to ortho effect, basic character decreases. Ortho effect, basic character decreases. Decreases. This is the simple thing. Now we'll discuss one example. You can see here first for understanding purpose. I am giving here COOH, then bromine. This is COOH. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And which is more basic character. That's what I'm going to discuss. Sorry, more acidic character, which is more acidic character. That's I'm going to discuss here. This is how to think that one. So which
Sir,
is
ortho is more than para, then
here I didn't give an para one, just 1, 2, 3 can give.
132.
Yeah, 1. Due to ortho effect, more acidic character. Okay. Then
Yes, sir.
3. Then 1. Sorry, 2 na? 2. So I'm giving one more also. This is methyl contained benzoic acid. You can take it here, CH3 plus COH without methyl. Okay, which is more acidic character. Actually, due to plus I group, we are expecting acidic character decreases generally. Okay,
Yeah.
but here due to ortho effect, acidic character, this is only more due to ortho effect compared to this is. Got it? Due to ortho effect, acidic character of 1 is greater than 2. Next, basic character also you can see 1 or 2 examples. Generally, plus I groups increases acidic character. This we are expecting. Got it?
Yeah.
Now we can check it here. NH2. So which is more basic character? We are assuming that one due to plus I group, acidic character is more for this one. But here reverse due to ortho effect. Due to ortho effect.
Mm.
Okay. So basic character.